How to fix microphone not working in Microsoft Teams on Android. This tutorial covers the most common causes and how to get your mic working again during calls. First, join or start a test call in Teams to confirm the issue is actually happening. From there, long press the Teams app icon from your home screen or app drawer. After that, tap App Info. At this point, tap Permissions. Following this, tap Microphone. From here, make sure it's set to Allow only while using the app, not Don't Allow. At this stage, back out and reopen Teams to check if the mic is picking up sound now. Following this, if it's still not working, go back into App Info and tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the issue. At this stage, back out and tap Force Stop instead. Following this, tap OK to confirm. Keep in mind other apps using your microphone in the background, like a voice recorder or another calling app, can block Teams from accessing it properly. From here, close out any other apps that might be using your mic at the same time. At this stage, scroll down within App Info and tap App Details in Store to check if an update is available, and install it if there is one. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart to fully refresh your device. Once your device boots back up, join a test call and check if your microphone is working properly. That's how you fix microphone not working in Microsoft Teams. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!